Only on News 4 this morning, a healthcare hero fighting her own battle right in the middle of this pandemic.
Yeah, News 4's Taylor Holt met with the registered nurse who wouldn't let cancer keep her from helping others. Taylor?
Yeah, such an inspiring woman. Nicole Hendershot is a registered nurse here at SSM Health St. Louis University Hospital, spending much of her time helping patients through some of life's toughest challenges until last year when she was on the other side of that care. Here's her story.
It's kind of been surreal.
But the proof is tattooed on her hand. Nicole Hendershot is a survivor.
My mom has had breast cancer twice, so I kind of knew there was a chance I may end up with it.
When she went in for her normal mammogram last October, doctors saw something. A couple weeks after a biopsy, she got the call.
And said that it was invasive ductal carcinoma, but it was stage 1, so it was caught very early.
She had no symptoms, so it was a shock.
I was speechless. Being on the patient side was a totally different experience.
Because of COVID for her first surgery, no one could be there. She was out for 6 weeks. But her dedication couldn't keep her away from helping others. Soon she was back at work, even with 4 months of chemo still ahead.
The staff was great. If I needed to leave early or if I had to call in, they were very supportive.
For her own health, she stuck to answering calls and just being a source of support for patients and staff, and doing that when the pandemic was taking a toll on healthcare workers and hospitals.
It's my responsibility to help all of the nurses, the care partners, do their job as well, so it was hard for me to step back.
But either way, the work was rewarding.
When I finished chemo, there wasn't a bell for me to ring at the clinic because of the pandemic, so they found a bell for me to ring here and kind of did a little ceremony for that.
Nicole is now in remission and urges women to stay up to date on their self-exams and mammograms, and she worked during a nursing shortage across the SSM Health St. Louis hospitals. They've experienced a total loss of 80 nurses per month, but they have started hiring. Live in St. Louis, Taylor Holt, News 4.